Good day, ladies and gents. In this video, I'll show you easily and quickly how to use a PaySend app. So just go ahead into Play Store and in the search bar type in PaySend right over here, and then just go ahead and install it. Now this one, let's look for PaySend. There you go. It's actually this one, sorry. So as you can see, money request app, PaySend. Open it up. All right, as you can see in this screen, we will have your transfers and we will have a button request money. So just click on it. As you can see, it will hang on and just will have this screen where you can add your phone contacts. For example, when you allow access, your contacts will appear here. And if this person is using PaySend to receive or send money to approve the transactions, you can use your contacts list. If not, you just go ahead and enter your mobile number, and in the mobile number, you just type in the number of the person that you wish to receive and request money from. Also make note of the supported countries. You can just click on that country code and list through the available ones. As you can see, there are not many, but still you can do this in most countries like Australia, Canada, Germany. As you can see, we have most popular countries, Netherlands as well. So just go ahead and make sure that your country is supported. USA is also supported. You press on, for example, USA, then you type in your phone number. Let me type in the one for your example. All right, I typed in the number, and in here you choose in which currency you wish to receive. In my case, in dollar. You just type in, for example, some amount, say $100, like that, and then you press on continue. Then in here, as you can see, you will have a screen where you will have to add your card. So go ahead and add the card. You can just scan it or enter the details manually. And then you just choose which card you wish to receive the money to, and you will get also this screen right over here. Then you just type in what's it for, press on request, then the other person to which you're sending will receive a notification and they can approve your request and pay your money request. That's pretty much it, guys. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.